God, bro, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Puta que pariu. Olha pra isso.
It began as a powerful storm sweeping across southern Portugal. On the 15th of November 2025, a tornado-like wind event tore through the Algarve resort town of Albufeira, leaving a trail of destruction across one of the country's most visited coastal regions. According to meteorological agencies and civil protection authorities, this extreme weather, likely a tornado, struck early in the morning. The winds associated with Storm Claudia reached speeds of up to 114 kilometers per hour, based on radar data and local reports. The storm system, officially named Claudia, developed over the Iberian Peninsula before intensifying and pushing across Portugal. As it strengthened, it delivered heavy rain, flash flooding, and extreme wind events to several southern districts. Albufeira was hit hardest, where sudden and violent gusts overturned caravans at a local campsite and damaged the nearby Eden Resort Hotel, tearing off parts of roofs and scattering debris.
Você tem que descar o barco, caraças. Só tem motor avariado. Ai, a puta que pariu. Ah, cadê?
Rescue teams, including more than 60 personnel and around 25 emergency vehicles, were deployed immediately. Authorities confirmed one fatality, an 85-year-old British woman, and reported at least 28 injuries, with 2 people in serious condition. Local hospitals received many of the injured from the hotel, while others were campers whose mobile homes were destroyed or flipped by the force of the winds. Emergency crews worked through the morning to treat the wounded and evacuate those at risk. The Instituto Português do Mar e da Atmosfera, Portugal's national meteorological agency, reviewed radar data and initial field observations. Early assessments suggest a high probability that the event was a tornado, though a full on-site survey will be required before an official classification is confirmed. Tornadoes are rare but not unheard of in the Algarve. Meteorologists note that conditions in late autumn, when cooler continental air meets warm, moisture-rich air from the Atlantic, can occasionally create the instability and wind shear needed for rotating storm structures. As the winds moved across the region, they uprooted trees, crushed vehicles, and caused portions of fragile buildings to collapse. Caravans at the campsite were destroyed, and the hotel suffered extensive roof damage, broken windows, and structural impacts from flying debris.